What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. We have the Fed rate hike today. We'll talk a little bit about that. Currently, we're sitting at 19.3K. We're up 1% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 369 billion. 24-hour volume, 33.3 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. My favorite exchange for trading. There's a $4,000 blast off bonus, as well as I will now be giving free entry to my Discord. Once you sign up to Bybit, you can email me at jaxdiscord77@gmail.com with your sign up email, and in return, I will give you a link for the Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. My trade signals will still be $10 a month, but they're posting all types of goodies in here, and you can get free access if you sign up to Bybit. Yes, I do receive a commission on your trading fees, but basically it's a win-win. All right, guys. So you can sign up through the links in the comment section. Let's hop into BTC. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we can see we're starting to see a little bit of push up. So a couple of scenarios that I'm looking at. If we kind of scroll out here, what we're looking at is we came down in a 1. This is a shallow wave 2, and we're now coming down in a wave 3, which is here in blue. So what we could be looking at here is that we've come up in a wave A. This was the wave 1 of the wave 3, and now we're going through an A, B, C correction. The problem that I have with this is a wave B is a 3-wave move, and to me this looks like a 5-wave move. You have wave 1, wave 2, this is wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which would signify to me that that's not an ABC correction. And what we're doing here is putting in a 1-2. So we came down in a wave 1. We had a wave 2 pullback right here, and in white, we're coming down in a 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. We've seen a topping tail candle on the hourly time frame, a perfect rejection off the 0.786. So if we do continue to sell off here, then we'll come down in a wave 3. And to measure that wave 3, take your trend-based pivot extension from the top of wave 1. See the wave 1 here in white, down to the bottom, to the top of the wave 2. If this were to be the top, then you would target 17.9K for that wave 3. All right, guys, the interest rate hike is today. 75 basis points is predicted, is expected. Anything above that will cause a dump in the market. If it stays at 75, I think there's a low probability of a pump, but I am expecting volatility. We are seeing a push up, which could mean that traders are expecting it to be bullish. 75 basis points causing an increase in the market, but I'd be quite surprised to see us come up and break about 20.1K. We are seeing a topping tail. The DXY is currently pumping. Well, the price of Bitcoin is increasing, which is weird. Could be another sign that we're going to see a drop. The DXY broke out of our bull flag that we've been talking about on the channel. Huge pump in the DXY. Wow. So if that continues, usually it correlates to a drop in the price of Bitcoin. So we could see a potential rejection from this level. If we do come up and break 19.6, your next level of resistance about 20.1, I'd be quite surprised to see us even push up to that level. If we do push above it, then we'd have to be looking at a different wave count altogether, but it's not the more probable scenario in my opinion. As you can see right now, we're seeing a pretty strong rejection from our wave 2 pullback zone. Wow. Looking at this chart here, that I think we would max out if we saw a push to the upside, 20.3K. We have a horizontal level of resistance as well as a downsloping level of resistance. In my opinion, what I think is going to happen is either we're going to come down a little bit and then come to retest that trend line, or we'll come up and hit it at about 20.3 and then get rejected. But I wouldn't be surprised to see us come a little bit lower before retesting that trend line once again, just as we did right here. We hit that trend line, we came lower, we retested it, rejection, drop. So I think there's a good likelihood that we've come up, we've hit that trend line, we come a little bit lower, rejection, drop. We'll have to see how it plays out. Once we lose 17K, it's basically, wow, yeah, we're starting to see a nice, strong red candle here. Once we lose 17K, it's basically a free fall down to our wave 5 target zone in between 11 to 13K. If we zoom out on the daily, we open all of this up. You can see right here. So here's where we currently are at about 19K. If we lose 17K, we scroll back. Yeah, your next support is all the way down here at about 13.3K. There may be a little bit of support and resistance in here, but not much. So the sell-off could be rather swift once we come down and lose 17K. As you can see here during this bear market, when we consolidated, once we start to broke down, it was quite swift. Consolidation, very, very swift. So consolidation, we're slowly coming down, but we haven't lost that level of support yet at 17K. Once that support is lost, it could be quite swift down to about 11 to 13K. The bullish scenario is that this is a bottom. This is some sort of double bottom with a bullish divergence on the daily, as I've been mentioning, but I don't think it's a likely scenario. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. As I mentioned, you can get free access if you sign up to Bybit and then email me with your sign up email. I'll give you a free access link. 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the $10 USD membership, you can sign up through the Patreon. You can get my exact trades as well as my analysis. Recently gave a trade for Bitcoin, which is in profit, and I post my analysis in here as well for 10 bucks a month. All can be found in the comment section down below and in the description. And I think that's basically it. Check out my full length tutorial for Bybit, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.